morning everyone, this is my first video on YouTube and we'll be driving to West Edmonton Mall where I work. Make sure the garage is closed and we'll put it on FSD and we'll see how it performs. It's going to go through some construction. It will go through the neighborhood with unmarked roads. Right now I have it on average mode. That's the default mode by FSD. The construction area I'll have more next. The construction area because it's trying to figure out where to go, so I'll have my hands on. See this Honda guy just changed lane without any turn signal. But FSD did handle it nicely. Not noticing any cones on the road, it's not showing it as cones, but it has those blobs, so it tries to avoid those blobs. It doesn't run over the blobs. And I've been driving here since last 1 month and so far it does drive pretty smooth. Only issues are some potholes, it will just drive over the pothole, and then sometimes it's a deep pothole, I'll have to take over so that I don't damage my rims or my tires. how the construction is, what the road markings are, but it's technically not following the road marking, it's just following the car ahead of us and also the barricades around us. And it is maintaining a good speed limit of 39. If I want, I can go faster and then it will just maintain that speed and then it will eventually slow down once we reach that car. Hopefully for the next run it will use the turn signal. If you make it. There we go. This is where I have to take over because it tries to take me somewhere else in the parkade where I don't want to go. I have a different spot where I park, so I'm just going to take over here and I have the control.